Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on eye care mode in a Tecno phone. Friends, you want to on guys your eye care mode in your Tecno phone, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on eye care mode in a Tecno phone. In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so friend first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So friend first of all guys, what will you have to do to on guys your eye care mode? So guys click on guys your phone setting to on your eye care mode. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and guys you can see where display and brightness settings, and tap here. And friends you can see guys your third option eye care mode, so guys tap here. So friends you want to on your eye care mode, so you can see turn on now. So friends you can on from here, and guys you can adjust guys your screen color temperature from here. So like that guys you can on guys your eye care mode in your Technophone you can use. So guys you should use that at night when you study, and guys when you operate your phone at night, so you should on it. And guys you can see your eye care mode notification also guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on eye care mode in a Techno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.